Welcome to Tutor-chan. Today I am going to show you how to convert a microphone stand into a adjustable mobile camera holder for overhead shooting, especially for shooting cooking videos. I have bought this Bulfyss microphone stand from Amazon. I am going to unbox this now. In the video description, I have given the Amazon link to buy this product. Out of the box, you will get an adjustable arm, a mic holder and a clamp. Normally this is used as a mic holder. You can clip a mic on it. But I will show you how to modify this into a overhead mobile camera holder. To modify this, you need two things. First one is a camera clip holder. You can buy it from Amazon for around 200 rupees. The second thing is a screw. It should be suitable with the camera clip holder. First of all, let's unscrew the default screw from the mic holder and screw it with the one which is suitable with camera clip holder. Now let's fix this thing on the adjustable arm. This is the clamp. Let me show you how to clamp it. For convenience, I have taken an inverted wooden stool to clamp it on. You can also clamp it on your table or on your window. Now let's insert the adjustable arm into the clamp. These are all the possible adjustments with this stand. It's pretty much adjustable. Let's put a mobile camera on the holder. Now the microphone stand is ready to be used as an overhead camera stand.